So we got earning coming up for AOI today, guys, after hours. The game plan right now, what we should do, because after hours, we got earnings. As if everybody knows, the last earnings were bad, but give us a huge jump to all-time high around 233. And technically, we put back since the 14th of May almost 67%. That's why we reversed in just 1 week, almost 80% before the earnings. So the market maker knows something that we don't. So we have to be ready for another majestic earnings like what we did back in February. Beginning of this year, we have humongous earnings for AOI, which gave us almost 80% in few days jump for AOI after the earnings. So before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only. And of course, this is by far the best reversal since the dump that we got in June, almost 2 months ago. Almost we reversed like 20%, then we reversed down, we reversed a little bit, but this time it wasn't coincidence, guys, because the jump happened almost 1 week before the earnings. Exactly 1 week before the earnings. Always we have this kind of jump for many stocks that have huge estimation or good estimation before the earnings. And as you can see here, the estimation just from here, the chart, you see the estimation on this little empty circle. This is the estimation is in positive. So we got huge estimation because the last few earnings was in negative and we didn't have any positive in earnings. This is should be the first time that we got an estimate in positive side for for AOI. That's why we got a huge reversal before even the earning call for today after hours. So if we got a positive earnings, as you can see here, the estimate is 0.015. If we got over that or better than that, is mean we might go another jump, and this time we're gonna go to all-time high again over the 233 and do 80% or almost 100%, like what we did back here in February. Yes, at the end of February when we got our good earnings back in February. Yes. So this is by far the most anticipated earnings right now in this week, because every time when a stock go from the negative earnings to positive earnings and actually beat the estimate, this is would be the like AOI would be on the spotlight, and all the market maker will buy it because of that estimate. And of course, beating the estimate from the negative to the positive is mean there's a huge change in the fundamental for AOI. And of course, right now is going from the red to green, and we see a lot of buying pressure right now for AOI just over the support or the gap that we did last Tuesday or 2 days ago. So we might have another continuation before the market close toward the 151.45. For my opinion, would be a really good level of resistance and confirmation for a squeeze for AOI for today. Let me just check how much we're missing here, almost 20%. And of course, we always do update on our Discord for the stock that have earnings and the stock that squeeze. We call them unicorn hunt or day trade stocks, like what we did for before AMIX that squeeze until the 22. And of course, we catch it once the price was below the $10, I reckon. Yes, around the $6, imagine. And this one went until the $24 in just a few hours. So there's a lot of stocks jumping like this, 500%, 1000%. We always catch them on our Discord and Bitcoin. We're gonna do update, of course, urgent update for chart for AOI later on our Discord and Bitcoin. But in the meantime, just keep your eyes closed around the support here for at the market or after the market close. Even if we have a push back down almost here around the 115.34 and even the 104.53 would be a good reversal zone and a quick reversal zone for AOI, because usually once the market close and we got earning, we might have fear in the market, and of course manipulation, shaking the weak hand, price go down, huge wick, and then reverse. So this is another reaction that might have for AOI for today. And of course, after we jump, we have to test the 151.45. If we got good earnings, guys, even sometimes negative, it could go on the positive side and squeeze up. What we should look for when we get the earnings to confirm that we got a big buyer buying is a wick down. Even if we went toward the 115.34, we need a wick, then reversal. And of course, we have to touch the 151.45, because if we didn't, we might be subjected for a huge pullback after the market open for tomorrow. So 151.45, at least a test, and the best reaction is breaking and holding over the 151.45. Let me know, guys, in comment section below what you think. Are we gonna have the price breaking the 151 after the earnings, and of course continue to all-time high around 233, and expecting positive earnings, or not expecting negative earnings and go down below the $100? So this is not in between. In this earning, guys, we should have either huge reaction up or down.